and welcome to Block by Block Quilting. Today we are continuing our work on the Patriotic Geometric Swirl quilt. I do want to apologize though. As I was getting together the pieces for block number 4, I was thinking, my goodness, I have a lot of fabric here. And I re-looked at the PDF and I had miscalculated because math, I don't know. Anyway, instead of 6 blue and white and 6 red and white of the 4 and 7/8 inch pieces, we just need 3 of each because we cut them in half. It works out. I've adjusted the pattern, the PDF, and so you'll see the new one up here. The good news about the new adjustment is that it will only require 1 yard of the white fabric. So technically now it's a 3-yard quilt, which is kind of cool. So let's look at block number 4. Here are the white and the red and the white and the blue that I was referring to. These are half square triangles. We will start off with the 4 and 7/8 inch squares of fabric. We will make our half square triangles and just like we did in the other videos. So we will make 3 of each, cut those in half. So these blue and red blocks, these are the 5 1/4 inch squares that we cut. And what we will be doing with those is we will be sewing them together as half square triangles. And then we will be cutting them, and we will be then taking the 4 and 7/8 inch white squares and making another half square triangle on top of the one we've already made, and that's how we get this interesting looking piece. Let's start working on block number 4. So here we have our 4 and 7/8 inch red and white. We'll be marking our lines on the white and the blue and the white and the 4 and 7/8 inch, and we'll be marking our lines on the white. And we have our 5 1/4 in blue and red. We will be marking a line down the red pieces on the wrong side of the fabric. And after we get our half square triangles made out of the blue and the red, we will be making another half square triangle with the white. So we need to mark down all of these white pieces. So we mark our diagonal marks on all of the white and on the large red, all 3 of the large reds. So let's get started.
have these new half square triangles we made of the red and the blue. We're going to take our white so that after we get done sewing, we end up with a piece that looks like this. So make sure when you sew, when you're placing these down, these lines are crossing. So the first thing we're going to want to do before we sew the white piece on is clip these dog ears off. So here we have our 4 pieces of the block, and now we need to put them together. What we'll do is sew these 2 together, sew these 2 together, and then sew the rows together. And if you are trying to figure out how to place them, just know all the white meets in the center, and on the outside over here we have the red, and on the outside over here we have the blue. So it almost looks like a white block sitting together on a red and blue, really large red and blue half square triangle. So let's finish up this block. Nesting these seams in the center and clipping together. Quarter inch, sewing with a 1/4 inch seam.